So well done, guys. So when you put a link in the description, this is the interface you get. So you can just punch in the information you would like the AI to generate for you. So I'm typing Tesla future cars
You just type anything you
AI.
want.
So you just
So
type
HD
anything you
view,
want. So HD view. So you want it to be neat. You want everything to be cinematic. So you let it know 4K view. So things like that. So after doing that, so you click on generate. So and if you notice this 13 energy right here, it means you'll be given 13, let me say 13 chances of creating AI images. So per day. So it resets to 15 every 24 hours. So that's how it goes. So it resets itself to 15 every 24 hours. That's a day. So today you get 15, tomorrow you get another 15. So as long as you are using it, it will keep decreasing. So after creating all these ones, Tesla future car design, driving on a muddy road, so a slippery road, car accidents means there is an accident on the road, police, something like that. So when you click on generate, it will generate an image, AI image, corresponding to that same information you wrote in the box. So you can decide to change everything to another thing. So it depends on what you are trying to search for. So you can input Mercedes, Benz, and BMW. So like this, I'm generating BMW future car design, driving on a muddy road. So things like that. So you try as much as possible to generate anything you feel like. So this is what we got. This is the information we got. So you can see a BMW on a muddy road. There is police over there at the checkpoint. There was an accident. If you can notice the BMW standing. So as you can see, you can also download. Yeah, that is how you download. You click on that three dots. So you have these three dots. So when you click on it, you click on download. So that's how you go about it.